Hi folks, welcome back. We're going to do the midterm review today, units 1 through 7. And so what I'm doing is breaking this into two different parts, so it's shorter videos for you, because it would be a really long video if I did it all together. So we're taking day 1 and breaking it into two parts. All right, here we go. So we're going to start off with an activity today that's going to require you to have a piece of paper, pen or pencil in front of you. And also, sometime during the lesson in part 2, when we get to it, you're going to need to have your challenge book pages printed out if you can. If not, you can write your answers down on a piece of paper. So you would find that in your red folder labeled Midterm Units 1 through 7, challenge book PDF right there for you to print out or open up. Okay, so let's begin. So on your piece of paper that's in front of you, on pencil, ready to go, we're going to start down copying down some words, and then I'm going to have you mark up the syllables of those words. So if you don't have a paper in front of you, stop the video now and do that. All right, now that we are ready to go, these are the words that I would like you to copy down today. Please copy these words down. We're going to review everything that you've learned so far, and we're going to start off with syllable types and division. So what I want you to do is copy down these words and then break them down into syllables by scooping them. So scoop the syllables, scoop the words into syllables. All right, let's check our answers. So the first word is clinic. How many syllables are in clinic? 2. So what we do is we're going to identify the first syllable. The first syllable is clin, and it stops right after the consonant N right here. And then it begins with ick, the second syllable. Clinic. Clinic. Have you seen that word before? Maybe you went to a healthcare clinic to get a shot or a checkup. Next word, spandex. Spandex. How many syllables are in spandex? 2. And we divide the syllables between two consonants right here. Span ends with an N, is the first syllable, and then dex is the second syllable. That begins with a consonant. It was split right down the middle between these two. Spandex. Probably seen this before. Some pants are made out of spandex. Spandex pants. All right, next word, chit-chat. Chit-chat. What do I notice about this word? It has 2 digraphs, and actually they're the same digraph, CH. When we're dividing syllables, never divide up the digraphs. They always stay together. Chit-chat. Where's the syllable division here? The first syllable that you should scoop is chit, and the last syllable is chat. Chit-chat. Another word for like talking. Next word, express. Express. Where does the syllables divide here? Keep in mind the blends like the PR always stay together. Don't ever split them apart. So where does the syllable division start here? The first syllable that you scoop is X, EX. And the second syllable that you scoop is press. 2 syllables in express. Last one, sandbox. What do we notice about this? This is a compound word. There's 2 words here. Sand is the first syllable and box is the next. You split up the words. So you divide between the compound words. Okay, let's talk about some sounds. I'm going to review some sounds here. Moving back, so you put your pencil and paper to the side, and we're going to go to the interactive board here. Let's discuss the sound of X. X, X, X. Like in X in exhale, express, or extreme. You have to remember that when spelling these words, that the S is not needed because it is built into the X sound of X. So let's build some words. Exhale. How would I write that down? How would you spell exhale? E-X, hail, H-A-L, and I need that E at the end to make the A long. Exhale. Everybody take a big exhale. We're almost done with school. Exhale. All right. How about the word extreme? How would I build the word extreme? Extreme. So we have that X sound at the beginning. So that's the first syllable. And then dream, tr. We have the TR. And they always stay together, that blend. We don't split them apart for syllable division. Extreme. Extreme. E. M. And then E. Extreme. 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 Are you extreme in your skiing? Do you get to go down the black diamonds? Maybe you're an extreme skier, maybe not. That's okay. All right, here we go. Now we're going to review word structures. So we're going to back out of this, and you're going to need that piece of paper again that you had out before with that list of words. So I'm going to have you write down some words, copy them down. Alrighty, so the words that I'm going to have you copy down are on this list right here. The first word that I want you to copy down is strongest. Strongest. Underneath that is cramped. Cramped. Next one is thrilled. Thrilled. And after that is shameful. Shameful. And then inspect. Inspect. And the last one is wilder. Wilder. We're going to mark up these words. So first thing I want you to do is underline the base word in each of these words. So underline the base word and then circle the suffix. Go. Next, I'm going to have you mark any digraphs, blends, any bonus letters, and welded sounds. Remember what a welded sound is? Welded sounds are the ones that are in green here. These are all the welded sounds in words. Welded sounds. So we're going to box those. Alrighty. I'm going to let you do that. Why don't you stop the video and mark up the words? All right, here we go. Let's check our answers. Does your answers look like this? Let's look at the word strongest. I circled the EST vowel suffix ending. I underlined the word strong. I boxed the welded sound O-N-G in strong. And it's a closed syllable with a brev over the O to show that's short. Cramped. Cramped is the base word. It is a closed syllable. I boxed the welded sound. And make sure you have a brev above the A and circled the suffix ending ED. Look at thrilled. I starred the bonus letter L in thrill. I underlined the digraph TH. It is a closed syllable, so I marked that up with a brev over the I and circled the suffix ending. Shameful. Shameful. Shame is the base word. The syllables vowel, consonant E. I made sure I crossed out that E, and make sure you put a line above the A. I didn't do that there. Make sure you do show that it is a long A sound. And then circle the suffix ending. Inspect, there's 2 syllables. They're both closed. I put brevs above both the vowels. Underline SP, the blend. Remember to never split the blend apart. Always close the syllable with a consonant at the end there. All right, and then wilder, I boxed the ILD, welded sound, but it says an I, so I'm going to put a line above the I showing it long. It's not a closed, it's a closed exception. So put a C with an X over it. It's a closed exception because the I says its name. And then circle the ER, suffix ending. All right, folks. So we're going to stop here today because if I go any longer, then it gets way too long. So we're going to start with part 2 shortly after this video. Take care.